What's going on, West Lawn Care people? I'm here at the commercial property and it is Crepe Myrtle pruning day. It's not gonna be fun, but these big monstrosities behind me are about to get cut, destroyed, obliterated, pruned, ready for the spring. Gonna look immaculate. Go dogs, go dogs. Grow pruning season, just go. Just go. Whoo! I am done. I'm happy about it. I'm satisfied. But what I do got to show you is the cleanup. So for anybody that's out here with residential lawns, trying to figure out, even commercial lawns, trying to figure out why does crepe myrtle pruning cost so much? Because normally we're going off of the height of the tree. And then, of course, whatever the labor cost is that that contractor is costing y'all. But there's a reason why y'all calling us. You don't want to do it. Go cut some grass.